In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to colour change when working in UK double crochet or US single crochet. I'm working in the round here, but the same will apply if you are working back and forth in rows as well. We're going to get to a point with the stitch before we need our new colour, where we have inserted our hook into the stitch, we've yarned over and we've pulled up a loop. Our next step would normally be to yarn over and pull through with the yarn on our hook, but instead we're going to yarn over with our new colour and making sure we've got a tail end that we can weave in a moment. We're instead going to yarn over and pull through with our new colour. And what this does is it completes the stitch, the first stitch, and that will look normal, but it'll have our new colour ready now and set up on the hook to start working our next stitches in our new colour. And this is typically how, as I said, we would change colour when working in UK double crochet, whether we're working in the round or whether we're working back and forth in rows.